first things first, we're going to do an oil change. We'll do an oil change, super simple, super quick. Just stay tuned and I'll do a voiceover to explain things as we go. So just stay tuned and I'll try and keep you up to date. This will only be a couple minute video, very straightforward. If you don't know how to do an oil change, there's really nothing to it. You can do this. Okay, so far we've taken off the we drained the oil, and we're about to do the filter removal, which is also messy. Just cleaning my tools off and talking to you while because I'm not an animal, I clean my tools. So yeah, if you have any questions, fire them down into the comments there. I mean, this is pretty straightforward stuff, but if you don't know, I'd rather you ask than get it undone and then you're sitting there going, I don't know what to do. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so we're back and we're gonna use filter wrench. Way easier. Replacement filter. That was just a random rag stuck to my hand. Sorry about that. So what I do is, first things first, drop everything into the engine compartment. Best thing to happen for you. What I do is off. It's your air intake. Because look at all the activities in here. And if you look down there, that white thing is your filter, and you can get at it from the top, so you don't have to crawl under there like an animal. Very important thing on the new one, make sure you put some of that used oil on this gasket so that it sits nice, seats properly, and it just doesn't rot from being just dried out. Stay tuned and watch that now. Alright, you're really just using that filter wrench to break it loose. Then, reach down with your hand and spin it right off. And ideally, you won't spill oil everywhere, but whatever. Party like a rock star, I guess. New one. lot nicer if I could see what he's doing. But engineers, am I right? Now, I'm sure there's a spec for this, but I don't really care. So I tighten it hand tight, and then we call it a day. I guess I shouldn't have called it a day. I should put oil into it first, am I right? Am I right? So due to the fact that full send is the operation of the day, we're just gonna give her, because it's gonna take all this anyway. So there you have it, folks. I'm not going to give you specs on oil or anything like that because Google will tell you everything you need to know. Other than that, here you go. This is the basics of doing an oil change. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.